day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two fitness tracker from the company Xiaomi. The latest is the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active, and we have here the popular fitness tracker, the Xiaomi Smartband 9. Okay, so on this video, we are going to compare these two fitness tracker in terms of the design as well as the features offered. So if you are interested to see what is the difference between the 9 Active versus the Xiaomi Smartband 9, watch this video. And again, please support our channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearables, drop a comment below. Alright, so let's start and compare the two fitness tracker. Again, this is our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active, and the other one is the Xiaomi Smartband 9. So we do have here some details on the features. So we have 5 ATM water resistant, so it is similar when it comes to waterproof protection. For the sports, our Smartband 9 Active do have 50 sports mode, while the Smartband 9 do have 100 plus sports mode. Okay, at the back, so we have here the size of the screen display. Although the Smartband 9 Active do have a much wider body frame, as you can see here for the screen display, it has 1.47 inch TFT LCD. For our Smartband 9, we do have 1.62 AMOLED screen display, a premium screen display. For the battery life, 18 days for our Active, 21 days for our Smartband 9. Plastic body frame for Smartband 9 Active, high quality metallic frame for our Smartband 9. So the premium here is the Smartband 9, and we do have here an affordable version. Okay, so let's check. So we have here side by side when it comes to the design, rectangular body frame. The other one, we do have a capsule-like body frame with a interchangeable strap. If you want to change the strap, just press it and you can replace it with a different strap. Metal body frame, plastic back cover, flexible silicone strap. For our Smartband 9 Active, plastic material, you can also remove the body frame here or the strap. Okay, so this is the fitness tracker with a plastic body frame. Simple design. To put it back, just press it here and that's it. Okay, flexible strap. All of the material here is plastic. Both do have a plain body frame here with no physical buttons. In terms of thickness, they almost have the same thickness. So wider body frame for our Active 9, longer body length for our Xiaomi Smartband 9. For the weight, so let's check. So we do have here weighing scale. Let's turn it on. 0, 0. Let's see. 29.65 grams. While the other one is 27.21 grams. So much lighter for our Xiaomi Smartband 9. At least 2 grams in addition for the weight for our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. Again, let's double check. 29. The other one is 27. Okay, plus 2. Then next, we'll proceed to the different menus and features offered for both smartwatches. But before that, again, let's have a closer look at the design of our Active 9, Smartband Active 9, and the Xiaomi Smartband 9. For the dimension of the wearable, okay, you can check it here on the side and the other one for its dimension and total weight. Okay, so that's it for the design and materials of the Xiaomi Smartband Active versus the Xiaomi Smartband 9. So let's proceed to the menus and features. So in terms of the menus and features, so here are the details. On top we have notifications. On the bottom part we have the menus. This one we also have the menus. On the left side we have the settings here. So almost the same format here. Then we do have the different cards. So more details here or more information for our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Okay, but I think I'm going to check whether you can check or update or customize the cards here. Okay, on the bottom part we have the menus and features. So we have the workout again, 50 sports mode, 100 sports mode. We have the heart rate here, activity tracking. So we have state training. We don't have it here, but we also have here a heart rate. Okay, they almost have the same UI here. If you notice it here on the video, the AMOLED screen display do have a much premium or sharper graphics compared to our TFT here. As you can see, somewhat grainy. We do have a blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, weather report, events, calendar. Do we have a calendar here? Seems like we don't have a calendar. We have an alarm, settings, stopwatch, timer. Okay, we also have here a timer, camera control, focus, and we do have a flashlight. We don't have it here. Okay, for the settings, we have wall clock here, as you can see. Let's go to the settings, go back. So we have band display. As you can see, we do have an icon here. In our Xiaomi Smart Band 9, they remove the icon, okay, to give space for the display. We have display, brightness, auto lock, raise to wake, cover to sleep. So there's more option here for our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Remember, we also have a built-in GPS for our Smart Band 9, or connected GPS, I mean. Notifications, vibration, pin, battery, and the system here and about. We have auto detect, vibration, what else, notifications. This is for the sports. We have it here. Let's see. We do have a vibration, but we don't have an auto detect for sports. So regarding sports, let's check. So these are the sports function. So different icon here or different layout for the sports function. For the information gathered, let's see. Outdoor running. Start, go, assume. Okay, both to have the time, bits per minute, the pace. Okay, they almost cover or track the same information. Okay, stop, long press. Okay, and back. I don't know if it's accurate for our Smart Band 9 Active, but based on our experience with the Smart Band 9, it has a very good motion sensor, as well as for the health sensor. Again, here are the menus and features. So more information here, or more features for our Smartband 9 in terms of the health and sports. Other than that, they almost have the same offered features, except that we do have here a calendar, and what else? Task. We also have breathing guide. We also have a breathing guide and world clock. Okay, so that's it, and flashlight, of course. So that's it for the difference between the Xiaomi Smartband 9 and the Smartband 9 Active in terms of menus and features. Okay, so if you are interested to get one, what do you think is what fitness tracker is much better? Okay, drop a comment below, and of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.